In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho Mail for free. We'll walk through the process step by step, starting from a simple web search, all the way to sending your first email and exploring the interface. By the end, you'll be comfortable getting into Zoho Mail on your own and knowing where to click to get started. First, open your web browser of choice and head to your usual search engine. In the search bar, type Zoho and hit enter. You're looking for the official Zoho website, which should appear at the top of the results. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the legitimate site, usually indicated by the correct domain and a professional-looking homepage. Then click through to open the Zoho homepage. Once you're on the Zoho site, look for the option that says Access Your Apps. This is typically located near the top of the page, often in the main navigation or header area. Go ahead and click on Access Your Apps. This section is where Zoho gathers all of its different services, and from here you can easily jump into Zoho Mail without having to hunt through multiple menus. After you've opened the Apps section, scan the list of available Zoho products until you find Mail. The interface may show several icons or categories, so take a second to make sure you're selecting the one specifically labeled for email. When you see Zoho Mail, click on it. This will open the Zoho Mail web interface, either in the same tab or a new one, depending on your browser settings. Now that you're inside Zoho Mail, you should see your inbox layout. On the left side or near the top of the screen, look for a button labeled New Mail. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to compose a new email. Click on New Mail, and a compose window will appear. Here you can enter the recipient's email address, add a subject line, and type your message. This is a great time to send yourself a test email, just to get a feel for how everything works. Finally, start exploring the rest of Zoho Mail. Click around your inbox folders such as Sent, Drafts, and Trash. Check out the settings icon to see what you can customize, like themes, signatures, and notifications. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so that sending, receiving, and organizing your emails becomes second nature. The more you click around and explore, the more confident you'll feel using Zoho Mail every day.